Hello everyone, and on the 26th July 2024, I want to publish new stuff regarding this robot. So before 7 days, the new version is released, version 1.2. So there is some change inside this version. I will show you that just a second on this screenshot. This option, reverse option, is visible, and inside order type automatic option now working, and it's available for using. So why I made this change? So basically I note before maybe 15 days some downtrend on some of my signals where this robot trade. Basically his MT4 version work on these signals, on two signals. All these signals is available for watching on the and on the MQL5 signal section. So as you can see here, we have, this is the line, growing line, and on this date 17 July exactly, trend line is start falling. The reason is very simple. Some strategy inside the Thor start his downtrend. So strategy number one, I want to say Thor have 5 strategy. All these strategy work on H1 time frame so far. So but as I say, some strategy number 1, number 3 and number 4 start his downtrend, and I note this, I see this, and basically I use and retest all strategy on the different time frame. That's I only do on this robot. Just retest the strategy and choose a different time frame for some strategy. So that give me a good result, and these signals start to recover his losses. Despite these losses, basically I still have a pretty nice profit factor on all my signals. Basically the profit factor on this signal is around 60%. So let's take a look this on the MyFX book. So on MyFX book, only the signal name is different. So Bull Capital is the name, and for this account, and on MyFX book, and Tokyo Express is the name on the for the same account. But on the as I said, there is only difference on the signal name. So as you can see here, we have small downtrend on this trend line, and I made some change inside my portfolio, and how to use I start using Thor on the different way, on the different time frame. I will show you that later, and this signal start to recover his losses. Is not recover all losses, but despite these, the profit factor still is huge. As you can see here, 67% is profit factor on this signal. No, just a second. 75% is winning trade, and 25% is the losing trade. So let's back to the signal, and firstly let's back to the robot. How to use Thor, I give some tips here, and as you can see, strategy number 2 and 5 still can be used on H1 time frame, but strategy number 1 and 4 must be deployed on M13 time frame. Strategy number 3 I note here not recommended, but you can use this strategy on H4 time frame. So exactly the same is for the his MT4 version. So you can use MT4 version on exactly the same way. So let's start some test. I will show you how this expert is behave on inside strategy tester, MetaTrader 5 strategy tester. So let's default everything. I will start with this year and use M13 time frame, open price only. It's not important. I use modeling for modeling open price only, but is exactly the same on the open, high, low, close, and every tick on real tick, because this robot control bar open. So basically there is some very minor result, different minor result, because modeling type is different. So let's start for this problematic strategy number 1. So before 15 days maybe this strategy was used on the H1 time frame. Now it must be used on the M13 time frame. So how long, I don't know, but this is the current situation. So also can be used on the H1 using this option, reverse option. That's why this option is visible on the new version. I will show you what this how robot work using this version. So if you activate this version, then you can continue using this robot on the H1 time frame. But if this option is deactivated, then you must use lower time frame. So on this time frame, lower time frame, robot has a little bigger trading frequency. So I will show you that for a couple of seconds. As you can see here, there is a bigger trading frequency. So let's back to the H1, and I will show you what's going on when you use or I will show you what happened before a couple of days with this strategy when this option was false. As you can see here, we have some downtrend. That's why if you activate this option, trends will start growing from this. As you can see here, start growing, because we reverse strategy. This is start growing from May 2020 to I think from May. Just a second to set May or June. As you can see here, start growing again, because we reverse strategy. We reverse strategy, nothing else. So basically this option controls signal, not open position. Now I will show you what's going on when you use automatic option. This option was available on the version before this version, but this option is not work in the version 1.1. So you must update if you buy license for this Expert Advisor. Please update to the new version 1.2. So let's check what's going on with strategy number 1 on a lower time frame, M13, and I hope, yeah, visual option is available, is visible. Oh, let's slowing down a little bit. Pay attention on the right side on the screen, and you will see what's happened. So robot open multiple order at the same time. It can be limited, it can be stop, it can be market order. So everything depends on the signal generation, and we get a better result. So let's start from the starting from this year to see bigger picture what's going on. Total trade is pretty big when you use this automatic option, and if you use market option. Just a second. Almost we have I don't know, 100 trade less, so as you can see here. So basically that would be all for strategy number 1, and strategy number 3 can be used on H4 time frame. And let's check what's going on this time frame for this strategy. Let's leave this open, high, low, close. There is not too much trading frequency, or only 9, or maybe will be 10 close trade, because if you use higher time frame, the frequency of lower, the trading frequency will be lower. So let's use number 4 strategy, and let's use M13 time frame. Let's start. Okay, nice. Let's use automatic option to increase trading frequency. Pay attention here, please. You must be, if you use this automatic option, if you activate this option, please use lower fixed lot sizing for each trade. So now let's default everything, and I will use strategy number 2. This strategy number 2 and strategy number 5 still performing well on the H1 time frame. Let's start. Okay, let's see what's going on the automatic option. How much we trade? 27 trade. Okay. As you can see here, the robot open multiple order type. Let's check 50 total trade 50. So let's use strategy number 5. Start test. I have exactly the same behavior on my live signal or on my live signals. That's why I made this change inside this robot. So now I will show you that some of these order can be used. For example, the best result will be maybe on the limit order and higher trading frequency. It will be little bit lower than on automatic and on the market order, but still if you use or if you choose limit orders, still these robot have a pretty nice result, as you can see here. $29 total trade, 29. So let's use stop order to check what's going on. Okay, you can create one portfolio using this Expert Advisor, opening 5 or maybe 10 chart on the different time frame, for example, and for the different order type. In this situation, each time you must set unique magic number. unique magic number for each instance or for each activation of this EA. So now I will show you how to do that on the chart. Oh, okay. I open 5 or 6, 7. I 2, 3, 4, 5, 7 chart. Now let's use splitter to see all chart. So on this chart, I will activate Thor on the, for example, market order strategy number 1, and let's use this magic okay. The second chart is H1, and here I will use strategy number 2. I will set unique magic 34. Okay, let's move on. On the third chart, 1, 2, it will be H4, sorry, and this will be H1. So here we will use strategy number 3, market order 35. Okay. On this chart we can use, for example, Thor strategy number 1, market order 36. Now I will activate, because we use strategy 1. I will show you before a couple of minutes what's going on when you use this option to reverse the strategy. So only in this situation you can use Thor on H1 time frame with strategy number 1 and strategy number 4. So basically you can reverse this option for activate this option reverse. So if you want, you can, for example, insert some comment here, so reverse to know what's going on inside your terminal if you're watching your trading. And for example, reverse, and can be M1, that's mean market order strategy number 1, and H1 time frame, for example. It's not important, but I love to insert a unique comment for each situation. Now let's move on. Let's for example activate automatic system for decision making, and 38 let's use for this automatic system strategy number 2. Okay, as I say, pay attention on the fixed lot sizing, so set a little lower fixed lot sizing, for example from 0.01 to 0.03 max. So everything depends how much money you have on your trading account. And you can set some I don't know, some unique comment if you want, for example. So basically we use automatic decision making or logic, or opening order type automatic, so that will be A, and that will be strategy number 2, and it will be, for example, H1, something like that. Now let's use strategy number 5. Check set unique magic number. Okay, and for example you can use strategy number 5 5 as well. So use unique magic and choose, for example, limit orders. And for example, you can set unique comment here. So we have limit order or LM and strategy number 5 on the H1 time frame. So basically that will be all tip and tricks for this version on the MT5. So exactly the same situation is for the MT4 version of this robot. Exactly the same situation. I will not open my MT4 platform now and repeat the process because it's exactly the same. So please use this store on this way. So how long this setup will be available, or how long this setup or how long I will have positive feedback from this setup, I don't know. So but this is the situation right now, and as you can see on my signal bull capital, this strategy start recover his losses is almost recover whole his losses. So as you can see here, maybe not all, but I will see what will be happen with this order. So this is the active order right now, and as you can see here, we can everything is not hiding. Order is not hiding. So we have a little down 0.4 percentage down on this month on this signal, but I truly hope that will be positive at the end of this month. So why I have this down on this signal? Let's check the history. I will show you. This is the whole history, as you can see here. So positive. As you can see here, there is some position on the gold closed in negative in losses here. So after that, system start working again perfectly well, because I made this change in the trading setup. So let's see as you can see here, almost all close in profit. So that will be all for this video and for tip and tricks how to use this Expert Advisor. Have a nice day.